Hello guys, welcome back to a video. It's your boy Esin, and today I'm going to show you guys on how to create a verified cash app. Alright, and if you're a dude or you're a girl, you like do a freelancing job and you have someone in the States about to send you money, you don't have a PayPal account, you have a bank account, and he said he has cash app. Okay, so you can use this means to accept your online payments. Okay, so guys, a verified cash app account is an account which can receive and send money. Alright, the process of buying and selling Bitcoin is called enabling Bitcoin withdrawals and deposit. That is not verifying Bitcoin withdrawals and deposit, right? It's called enabling, all right? A verified cash app account is an account which can receive and send money. Okay, and you can have this account in any part of the world. All right. So if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon so that person notify you whenever I upload video like this. And if I don't video help you guys, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share the video. All right, so like I said, I'm going to be teaching you guys. Okay, so take out your notebooks and your pen. All right, so I'm gonna tell you guys what we need. All right, like everything we need. Okay, so the first thing we need is our Android device or an iPhone. All right, so either of those. Okay, then the second thing we need, guys, is an email address. It's either an email address or a phone number. Right, but I'll be using an email address because I don't have a state's phone number. All right, but if you have a Google Voice number, that will be good for you. Okay, so the third thing that you're gonna have is the Cash App. Okay, now guys, the Cash App. All right, so please, all right, when downloading Cash App, do not download it from the browser. Right, download the app from either Play Store or App Store. Okay, it's much more preferable. All right, because when any update come, you'll be able to update right, guys. Because if you download the Cash App from the browser, guys, you won't be able to update it automatically, and some features in the Cash App on Play Store won't be in the Cash App from the browser. Like seriously, guys, don't think that because it's Cash App, you think everything in the Cash App on Play Store will be the same in the Cash App on the browser, right? So please download the app from either Play Store or Apple Store, right? Okay, so if you have tried to download the Cash App in your mobile device and it said this app isn't available in your country, guys, there'll be a link in the description below to show you guys how to download banned apps. How to download apps in banned countries. All right, it'll be in the description link below, and I'm sure I'm gonna put it up here or down here, wherever the screen you're gonna see. Just click there and watch the video and you come back. Okay, just pause the video and watch the video, then come back. All right, and also guys, we need an email address. All right, so guys, please, the first video I did about how to create a Cash App account, many of you guys used my email address to create a Cash App account. Right, like I received like a dozen signing codes per day. All right, so guys, please create an email address. If you don't know how to create an email address, guys, a link will also be in the description below to show you how to create an email address. Okay, so you get an email address. You have downloaded the Cash App from the Play Store or Apple Store, guys. Now, the most important stuff that we need right now, guys, is our VPN. All right, Cash App is only available in the States. Okay, so you need an app, a VPN, which can connect you to the States. Okay, so now we need a VPN, guys, like a good VPN. And I'm not here to talk about VPN, guys. I'm here to teach you guys on how to create a Cash App account. All right, so if you would like me to upload a video, all right, to tell you guys the best VPNs to use either on Android devices or on iOS devices, guys, comment down below and I'll do that video. Okay, so guys, when that's all done, guys, now I'll be doing an online screen on my iPhone, because right now I'm recording it on my iPhone. So I'll be doing an online screening on my iPhone on how to go about it, guys. So please stay tuned to the end of this video, and like I said, like if this video helped you guys, and please subscribe. Thank you very much. And also thank you guys for the 645 subscribers. I really appreciate you guys. Like, I really appreciate it. I love you. Okay, so let's do it.
So guys, right now we are screening on my iPhone. So the first thing you want to do is turn on your VPN. All right, so as you can see at the top left corner, my VPN is being turned on. So the second thing you want to do is to go to your browser. Right, any browser, click on the search bar icon and type in US address generator. All right, so click on search. So guys, now when you click on search, click on the first link. Okay, US address generator, fake address, but it's still gonna work, guys. Although it's fake, but it's still gonna work. Okay, so what information we need is just the phone name, gender, title, race, birth, date of birth, and the social security number. Okay, so Now if I were you, I'll screenshot this page and keep. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is to launch a cash app. Okay, so as you can see, a cash app is being launched, and I'm gonna use one of my email addresses at gmail.com. Okay, so let's see if the code pop up. Let's see. Okay, so guys, that's the code 852204. okay, click on next and let's see what's gonna happen. Okay, welcome back, Young. Please choose an option to confirm your identity. So guys, it's like I created the cash app of this. Create new account. Okay, let's just create new account. All right, confirm your country, United States. Okay, you say add a bank using a debit card. No, skip. Right, click on skip. Okay, now please enter your first and last name. All right, so we're gonna come here and just put Martin Way. Okay, Matthew Way. All right, it's Matthew Way, right? Matthew Way. Okay, all right, so Matthew Way, like Matthew Way. Okay, click on next. Okay, choose a cash tag. Alright, so guys, choose a unique cash tag. Alright, like choose a unique cash tag. Okay, so I'm gonna fill in pop B. It's not available. Let me see. Let's say come here 1973. Okay, so it's available. So let's just do that. Let's try that. Okay, so guys, so key in your zip code. All right, so you're gonna come here and go straight down to zip code. So just copy the zip code. So copy the zip code. So I actually cut it. So copy the zip code, guys, and just, so I'm able to pick the zip code there. So we're just gonna 75683. 75683. So that's the zip code. Click on next. Okay, so guys, you can see invite friends and get 10% each. All right, so I'm not going to invite anybody, so I'm just going to go to click on X. So guys, you can see welcome to cash app. So you can see, guys, Matthew Ray, cash tag cam 1973. So guys, that's a cash app. All right, so with this cash app, you'll be able to receive money, but you won't be able to send money, guys. Okay, so now, okay, so there's something I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna send some money into this cash app and try to send it back to my other cash app to see if it actually will work, and if it doesn't, then I'm gonna show you guys how to verify it before sending the funds back. Okay, guys, so all right, so I'm sending it right now, guys, so please exercise some patience. Okay, please exercise some patience and exercise some patience a little bit. Okay, so connecting to the state. Okay, so it's taking some time. All right, so let's just be patient. All right, like I don't want to cut this video so that you guys don't see I cut the video and I did something behind. All right, so I'll just do the video like in full. Okay, so am I sending the cash? I'm gonna send $1 to this cash app. So let me check the cash tag. Okay, $1 pay. Click on pay. I'm gonna pay Matthew Way. So the cash tag, so cash tag is $sign Kim 1973, right? Matthew Way 1973, Matthew Way. So confirm. So I'm gonna pay Matthew Way $1. Okay, so I'm gonna pay Matthew Way $1. Okay, so they're asking for my fingerprint. Okay, so they say sent $1 will be deposited once match rate completed. All right, so guys can see, okay, so it has indicated that I sent $1. So I'm trying to refresh okay, so guys you can see $1. Let's try to accept the $1, right? So accept $1 and let's see if it's gonna work. Okay, so it will be available shortly. Okay, because as you can see right up there is pending. All right, so my traders accepted the $1 you sent. Okay, so guys, so I can see all right, so guys, I've received $1 in my account. So guys, you can see $1 in my account, right? So I'll be sending the money back to Javin Brown. So $1 pay. Okay, so Javin Brown, right? So just pay him back the money. Okay, so this payment requires verifying your full name, right? So click on match your way, click on next. All right, so your date of birth, guys, you come here and you have to input your, okay, so the 7th feet, okay, so the 7th month, the 5th day, okay, 1978, okay, 1978. Next, okay, last, okay, so it's 3505, okay, 3505. Click on next. Okay, so guys, as you can see, you send $1 to Javin Brown. So guys, as you can see, guys, now I'm able to send. So now guys, now I'm able to send and receive money with Cash App. So guys, that is a verified Cash App. So guys, all right, so we click on Bitcoin, they'll show you enable. Guys, as you can see, there is enable withdrawals and deposit. It's not about verifying Bitcoin withdrawals and deposit. All right, so guys, as you can see, this is a verified Cash App account and it's the clean verified Cash App account. Guys, you can see I received $1 and I sent $1. Okay, so guys, if this video helped you guys, please give it a thumbs up, share the video, subscribe, comment down below what you think, comment down below what you want me to do next, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out, bye.